Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change Hostinger server location. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to the site and log in your account. Once you do, you will be on the homepage of Hostinger. From here, you have to select the option Websites from the top. And now, here you can see the option of Dashboard. From here, you have to select that site on which you want to change Locaton. Just for example, I will select this, so click on the option Dashboard. And here on the left side, you can see the option of Hosting. Click on it and tap on the Action Plan Detail. Once you will click on the Option Plan Detail, you will see the option of Server Detail. Click on this pencil and here to choose the location to which you want to change. Just for showing you, I will select this and click on the option Next. And you can see I can only initiate one server transfer in 30 days, so confirm it and hit Next. The last thing is click on the option Save. And you can see my server location has been changed, and that's it.